Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl TT. So today I first want to say apologies on not being able to be posting on the channel for a very long time. A lot of issues happened. So today I want to be teaching you all how to create this error public denied if you're trying to connect to your server. If you're an Alx student, I think this is the best video for you to listen to, because I'll break it down on how you'll be able to connect to your server without any issue. Do you understand how to connect to your server if you're having public key denied? So for those that are trying to understand what I mean by permission denied, so if you're trying to connect to your server and you're having this error here, permission denied bracket public key, then this tutorial is for you. So I'll just give you the breakdown of how the video is going to be. The first step is you're going to go and clear your .ssh directory, everything, the public and private key, delete it all. Secondly, delete the profile, the SSH public you put on your profile, and then get ready. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to create a new .ssh file directory, then create a new server using the SSH-key gen. Then after that, we're going to copy the public key to the SSH profile. To our profile, yes, to our internet profile. Copy the SSH to our internet profile. After that, we are going to create a new server on our Alx server. So already, so we're just going to take it step by step, so don't be in a hurry. So as I said earlier, the first step is to create a new directory, which is a normal one, mkdir.ssh. So after that, the next one to do is to cd to our directory. Then we check for the permission, whether we gave the right permission to this directory. Then using the normal this thing, we're going to just be creating a new .ssh server. Create a server, sorry, using the SSH-key gen. So I'm going to copy it and paste it on my internet profile. I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to click on my profile right now. Just wait for it to load. And I'm going to go over to this SSH public key, and I'm going to change it. Don't forget, follow it procedurally. First step, I deleted the SSH and I created a new one, and I'm taking the public key to this place. Do you understand? Make sure you delete everything. It's as clear as this before you paste a new one. Just want to confirm. Then I pasted my new one. So after you're done, you're going to click on save my information like normal. The next thing I want to do is to generate a new server. We're not working in the same server. Let's just generate a new server, so everything will look as new as nada. So click on ask for a server, click OK. Make sure this running is showing. So if you notice, a new server has been generated. So the next thing I want to do is take it to my Ubuntu. I'll be using my system this time around. So as you can see, I'm just going to run this. I'm using my system. I'm going to run this right now. So you can see we've already connected to my server. Let me clear all this. Clear. So this is our Ubuntu at Web 2. Do you understand? So this is how you just connect to your web server without having that permanent denied and stuff. You just follow the instruction I gave. So that's it on how to search this error permission denied. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified once I drop a new video. As I said earlier, I'll be dropping videos back to back now this time around. I'm not joking, I'll be dropping videos back to back. So I love you all. Thank you so much for being one of my subscribers. Thank you for not disappointing, and see you in my next video. Don't forget what I said. Everything I explained is procedure. Make sure you follow the procedure. First, creating a new server, copying the public file to the profile on your internet, and creating a new server. That's it. See you in my next video. Love you. Don't forget, it's a gold DIDID. Love you all. Bye.